Terry A. Davis spent his entire childhood using the Apple II. He was such an inspired kid, and later on, he would show great interest in technology. By the time he became a teenager, he had learned the assembly language by himself. And for reference, the assembly language was by far one of the hardest programming languages to work around due to its low level and complexity. However, programming was not only his strong point. Davis was also talented at designing circuits and electrical engineering. It is amazing how much he could learn as a teenager and progress as an adult. Some of his most notable creations are his amazingly efficient compiler and a beautifully shortened and organized programming language, which he referred to as Holy C. Ultimately, Davis participated in a considerably time-consuming project, which took roughly a decade to finish. It is the development of TempleOS. There was no denying that Davis would be the next Steve Jobs. His brilliant mind, along with his unbelievable patience, would surely put him on a really high position of society. Unfortunately, if only his mental illness didn't take its toll in his pursuit of goals. It was not until the final years working at Ticketmaster that the entire ordeal was finally uncovered. Things could only plunge as diagnosis of Davis' psychological status revealed schizophrenia, which is a serious mental disorder that affects how reality is conceptualized. This would soon cause delusion, and the life of Terry Davis began to crumble. Finally, he passed away during the year of 2018, and the final cause of death was then decided to be due to being hit by a train. So let's go ahead and just take a look at this operating system. I'm gonna go ahead and just install it onto my virtual machine. So this is the so-called official website of this operating system. We can go ahead and just download the ISO file. Oh, look at this. What are these for? I don't even know anymore. Okay, if you guys can give me a bit of context on what these files are, I'm gonna shout out you guys. Okay, I'm gonna pin your comments. Don't worry. But what I'm looking at is this. Oh, let's go ahead and just look at the readme.txt. You cannot do anything until you burned a TempleOS CD from the ISO file and boot it. Yeah, no shit. It requires 64-bit. And it cannot run on a 32-bit hardware. And oh, it requires 512 meg of RAM. Oh, damn. All TempleOS files are compressed with a non-standard LZW format, and the source code can be only compiled with the TempleOS compiler because it is Holy C. Oh wait, can we just take a look at this programming language later? I'm kind of into it. I'm pretty sure the last time I booted up like a virtual machine was like, I don't know, almost a year ago. I took the game with my eyes closed. Eyes first before the award show. I can't tell it on my torso. Be a boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rushing this far, I'm also. Alright, so let's go ahead and just boot this up. Oh wow. Wait, it is so fast. Oh my god, it is so fast. Are you installing inside VMware? Yeah, boys. It's normal for this to freeze for a moment or two. Press the key. Uncompressing dictionary. Okay, whatever. Alright, so this is literally the operating system, guys. I'm gonna tell you what, it looks like the IDE that I had to work with when I was only around like 11 years old, which was, I guess, 4 to 5 years ago. I got to learn this programming language called Pascal, and the IDE that I had to use was super weird. Like, I'm gonna tell you what, it was like something Borland Pascal, or Turbo Pascal or something, but yeah, let's just go ahead and search Pascal. Yeah, this is literally what we had to work with, and this looks exactly like this TempleOS. So if I could overcome this, there should be no problem for me. So let's go ahead and just take a tour around this operating system. So we have like a bunch of like shitlord here. Oh, you have to hold it, by the way. We have go line, go begin, go end, go left, go right, go L brace. What the heck is L brace? Okay, this is super complicated. Got word? Inanimates. What? Wait, is it taken from the Bible? Because I feel like it is. There's got song. Huh, it's still really hard to make out what I'm looking at. Oh, dude, it froze! Bro, this operating system is so gonna crash. Holy shit, I'm so sorry. Alright, so that was kind of scary. It just crashed right there. What the fuck did I do? And there's like assembly. Oh my gosh, bro, this is like so... Oh! Yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is the fact that you can actually program in different programming languages in this IDE. Is this an IDE or just like a text editor? I'm so confused. Alright, so let's go ahead and play some games here. Menu. Wait! Oh my god, these are the games. Yo, let's do some gaming, boys. Code scraps, non-games, passamole. Yo, this is amazing. Yeah, boys! Wait, what? What just happened? Oh, this is like... Wait, this is like the iconic, what is it? The iconic TempleOS song here. So this is like a racing game. Okay, that's perfect, okay, because I know how to play this game, okay? At least there's like one game that I know how to play. Yo, this is so hard to play. How can people play this? Let me just casually go here. Now you can actually program right onto the terminal itself, which is something that I think is really cool. The fact that you can actually have pictures in your code, which is something that you cannot do, obviously. But also, you can combine two different programming languages together. You can actually do assembly and Holy C at the same time. If you program in C++, you know that if you want to declare an integer, you can do int. Let's just name this variable. Oh my gosh. And you can actually store information inside of variables. In this case, since we use the integer data type, we can store integers inside of this variable. You can say, oh my god, it's equals to like a number. And of course, you can see out this number. It would print 1000 onto, you know, our console here. Now in Holy C, we can just do pretty much the same thing, except this time we can actually do it directly in the terminal itself using the data type i64, which pretty much means 64-bit integer. So we can do I and then 64. Oh my god, there we go. 10,000,007 was passed into the oh my god variables. Now let's go ahead and define a function that will take two integers and return the addition between those two integers. Now we can go ahead and make such function by doing u0. Now u0 basically means void in C or C++. And for our function's name, we can do, let's say add, because I like that name. And of course, since our function takes into account two integers, we have to define those integers. We can first start by doing i64, and let's call our variable x. And once again, i64, and let's go ahead and call our variable y. don't forget your opening brackets. And let's progress throughout our function. And of course, we can just print out results, or you can print directly the x plus y. And finally, let's go ahead and add our closing bracket to finally finish our function. So at this time, I really want to call my function, and let's pass in two values, 3 and 4. What the fuck did I just output?